ndị be abịakwanụ ka unu nụrụ akụkọ nke na nwaanyị na-anụ di ji aka ya wee tọrọ onwe ya ka o wee napụta di ya ego nwanne ya nwoke nyere ya ka o wee goo keke ọ bụ n'ọgụ ugbu di ya ị ka ya anụ ka ya sị na ya bụ nwaanyị n'ọma ndị ochi maọbụ na ya na ndị ochi na-ayị maọbụ na ndụ ga-ada ọkwụsị ebu n'aka ya. Bịakwanụ ka unu nụrụ ife mere ebe a na-enwere otu nwaanyị enyere afịa wee dịka merit na ọ dịkwanụ 27 years o wee bụ na nwata nwaanyị a na nwanne ya nwoke nyere ya 3.5 million naira ka o wee gopụta keke nke nwaanyị a wee were nya bụ ego wee jee mee bridal shower ndị na-achọ ịnụ di ndị na-achọ ịgba akwụkwọ n'ọkwa ya ka o ji ego a wee mechaa ife a nwanne ya nwoke nyere ya ego wee na-akpụ ya na ya nyekwazie ya ego o nyere ya ọ bụrụ na o gopụtazi keke nwanụ na amakwa ife nke nwaanyị a mere o wee na-eche echiche ebe ka o ya esi wee weta ego wee nyekwa nwanne ya nwoke maka na origokwana nya bụ ego ya na ndị oyi ya wee kpaa nkịta ka a sị na-atọrụrụ ya atọrụ. Nwata nwaanyị unu na-afụ ebe a wee jee na họteelụ wee jee balansị ya na-anyụla ahụrụ poopoo ya na ndị otu ya wee kpọzie di na-anụ ya kpọkwa nwanne ya nwoke na-agwazifa n'ofe a bụ ndị ntọrị na-atọje nke nwaanyị a na fa wetakwa 3 million something nke e wee hapụ ya nwekwara ife mmadụ anyị afụna ọkwa ya ka di ya na nwanne ya nwoke gbagharịba wee gbagharịta 3 million naira wee nyezie ndị ntọrị nyenu nwunye ya ndị polisi wee jidie aka na-abụ wee ghọọ ya otu aka. Unu ya ege ntị ka unu nụ ajụjụ ajụrụ ya ebe anụnwa ọkwọ sọsọ ka o wee kwụọ nwanne ya nwoke ego o ji wee mee bridal shower nwa ka o ji wee jee were aka ya tọrọ onwe ya. Unu na-achọ ịgwa nna mara eji ya na-aka ya anụ ka ọ na-aya anụzi ebe ụlọ nwoke nwunye umechaa gị ife a ya agbagharị ya ka ya tinye buru akpị ya na ife nke nwekwa ka ọ dị ebe nwata nwaanyị nọ.
I am SP Dafe Bright and this is Delta State Police Command. Today we are the Special Anti-Kidnapping and Cyber Crime Squad. They just proved to us once again that indeed Delta State Police Command is working. I always say there are 3 stages where we can fight crime. You can fight crime before, that is to prevent crime. You can fight crime even during, and you can also fight crime even after. And that is why it is very, very important to report cases to the police. You cannot say, oh, I've given them money, I want the matter to die. No, always come to us because we know our onions and we know what we are doing. Today we'll be interviewing 3 suspects. One of them is a 27-year-old lady who just got married March. She will be the one that will explain why she's here, but I can assure you that it will be very shocking. What is your name?
Merit Ele.
Merit. Okay, Merit got married March this year, and according to her, she said she was given money by a younger brother or elder brother, as the case may be, to purchase a tricycle, and she used that money to sponsor, you say your, what did you call it again?
Bridal shower. Bridal
shower. She used the money for her bridal shower. Now, it did not end there. On Sunday this week, that is, what's that 20th, date?
20th.
On the 20th of this month, July 2025, she told her husband she was coming, and the next thing we heard was that she has been kidnapped. The ransom money was paid. The ransom of how much? 3 million naira was paid. But the husband did not give up. The husband followed up with the case he had already reported at the State Special Anti-Kidnapping and Cyber Crime School. I will continue to work until we arrested one of the suspects who eventually let the cat out of the bag. Now, you say your name is what? Merit. Okay, Merit. That money, the money you were saying your brother gave to you, what did you use it for?
I used it for my bridal shower.
Okay, make your answer very short, Not stress me. You used it for your bridal shower.
Yes, sir.
So what now happened is your brother was asking you for the money.
Yes, sir.
So when he was asking for the money, what did you can't do?
I was just thinking of a way to raise the money, and I didn't see any way to.
So what did you can't do?
So I now masterminded the plan to forge that I was kidnapped.
You masterminded the plan to say you were kidnapped.
Yes, sir.
With who and who?
Peter and.
You don't know the other one name. Where you for know Peter?
He worked at where I was staying before as a security personnel there.
Okay. So how much your husband eventually paid?
3 million.
3 million. Who paid the money?
Him and my brothers.
Okay, your husband and your brothers.
Yes, sir.
So when the 3 million can't reach your hand, what will you do?
We went to a POS woman shop. Okay. They transferred to the POS woman So she put 2.5 in my account and gave them 500,000 naira cash.
Okay, you gave your accomplices 500,000, you 2.5 million. You don't hammer now. I don't be hammer, you hammer. So where the 2.5 million naira now?
It's my account, sir.
It's still in your account. So how do you feel as a wife? As a wife, how do you feel that you could do this to your husband?
I feel bad.
You feel
terrible.
bad? Open your mouth.
Ugochukwu,
How long have you known this lady?
never too dey long o.
It never too dey long.
My just since last year, yes.
Since last year.
Last year.
The day when she come meet you, say she wan do this thing, how she tell you say what did she tell you say she wan do?
Him tell me say tell me say him sister whether he don come back. I thought say maybe he
Wetin
don
concern
come
me and
back.
sister wey don come back? Go straight to the point.
Okay, wetin him tell me? Him tell me say whether pick report. I tell am say yes, any problem. He say make a long package. Which package? Na him come tell me say him brother give am 3.6 million. Say make he use am buy keke, use am go play gamble. Say na him friend, na him put am. I come dey tell am say see am.
Okay, don do wetin, forget about wetin you tell am. So wetin she come tell you say she wan do next?
So he come tell me say he wan make I call one person. Yes, I remember one person wey dey work for bakery, make him help am. Na make me come for
Make dem help am do wetin?
make am package. Na wetin talk say package.
Package what?
Package work. So he no talk the real.
So wetin una come eventually do?
So as him come, as I come call this guy now, him come now, him come explain the guy na wetin he explain for me. So the guy still tell am wetin I still tell am.
Okay, since you no know wetin you go tell me, make I ask you question wey you go take talk wetin you know, the real matter. When she dey for the hotel, who dey make the call to the husband when they wan take bring money?
Okay, now this one na him first start dey make the call.
Then you too, you make your own call.
Yes.
Wetin una tell the husband?
When him comot,
Wetin una tell the husband?
na wetin him tell us, everything wey we
Talk am na, talk the
him
thing.
say wetin him first talk say na 10 million.
Okay.
Yes, I remember say bet we go land up for 5 million.
So how much the husband come pay?
So wetin come pay na 3 million.
How much they give you?
Wetin dey my hand now na 225,000.
How much they give am?
Na him give me. Na him give
Okay,
me.
na share the money.
Na him give me.
So our audience, you see what greed is causing. And I really want to give kudos to the command special